So mukhang naligaw. As usual, ang lolo at ang lola. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So we're here in the bus stop waiting for the 20R minibus going to the bride's pool. The frequency is very long, around 1 hour in between. So let's see whether we'll be able to go and see the bride's pool for today. We might as well take the taxi if no minibus come in a few minutes. Tagal lang minibus. 1 hour interval is really matagal, nakakainip. In a few minutes, daraan na yung bus. Inaantok ang lola kasi minom tayo ng vitamin B complex. Nakakaantok yan talaga. Finally. So, nadidinig na yung nagaslas ng falls. So, kung nagaslas ng tubig actually. So, malapit na tayo. So, UNESCO Global Geopark, Hong Kong Geopark. This one. Pababa kami over there. This is the barbecue site. So, we're going down. Yun ang lolo. Tingnan natin kung hanggang ganda talaga. Dahan-dahan lang tayo kasi hindi even yung floor. Here. Yun na daw yung pinakamababa. So, ilang akyat pa. Oh no. Kasi andyan yung point, papaaram niya agos eh. Dahan-dahan lang tayo at baka bumulusok tayo dyan. Imagine, meron ganito pala sa this part of Hong Kong. Yan oh. Picnic, nagba-barbecue. So, andito kami oh. Not sure if we will go further. Maghahanap pa ang lolo. Hindi namin kabisado yung lugar. So, go walk ahead. So, this is the bride's pool barbecue site. So, if you want to go on trail, then we will use the other entrance. So, mukhang naligaw. As usual, ang lolo at ang lola. So, we will decide whether we will continue to go to the nature's trail, which will take us 1 hour. So, let's see. of these are the barbecue site. So, malapit din dito yung mirror pool, oh. On that way. So, in the end, pabalik na kami. Now is, at least alam na namin, then we can go with our friends to do the trail walk next time. Uy, delikado na dyan.
Baka ito na yun.
Posible. Come here, baka madapa ka. Take a photo then, a video. I will not go there. I'm scared. Scary cat ang Lola Miray. It's really beautiful here. And I think especially during summer. Pero sobrang siguro mainit na rin. Pero punong-puno ng puno. So, hindi ka rin masyadong ma-initan. This is an adventure na we didn't plan. But it happened. And so far, nag-enjoy naman ang lolo at ang lola. This is a new discovery. The discovery for today. Ganda. This is nature. Nature at its best. Lamig ng ihip ng hangin. So let's go up. Start going up. Mas mahirap umakyat. Lolo. It says that there's a legend that the bride's pool is about the bride being carried by poor men to her groom, but the one man slipped on the pole and the bride drowned. Hindi natin alam, totoo ba yan o hindi, but that's what I read. So, that's why it is named Bride's Pool. Ganda nito, oh. Tadaan! Kaya pa? Konti akyat na lang. Konti akyat. Hinaantok na. Konti pahinga na lang, and then we will go and wait for our bus going back to Taipo Market. Whew. It's quite an experience. So, mga lola, mga nani, mga tatay, let's venture, let's discover new things, let's discover new places, and enjoy kung anong kaya pa nating i-discover. So, hanggang dito na lamang natin i-end ang ating video for today. And hoping na muli sasamahan nyo ang lolo at ang lola. There, lolo. Bye. Bye, lolo. Sa ating muling paglalakbay. Today's discovery, Bride's Pool here at Taipo.